Good morning, you guys. Welcome back to the vlog. Happy birthday if today's your birthday. I'm tired. It is Tuesday at 9 a.m. The day is just beginning. And I have next to nothing planned today, so I'm loving that for sure. And not too busy a day, I don't think, so fingers crossed. By the way, thank you to everyone who bought a Molly mug. If you missed it, these are back in stock. I have them linked down below, and much appreciated. I love that you guys are drinking out of my cute little kitty's face. I mean, how could you not enjoy something like that, obviously? Finally starting a day with blue skies. It's been so gray in the mornings here lately. So pretty today though. Sorry if you can hear my neighbor blasting music. I've just been working here for a little while and thought I would check in quickly. Very exciting news. Connor and I actually bought bikes yesterday. They're right here because we don't have bike locks yet, so we're keeping them inside. Voila. We're gonna try to go for a bike ride later, so I will keep you in the loop, but we just got ours off of Facebook Marketplace because we, one, were shocked at how expensive bikes are. Like, they start at like $600, and that's for like nothing great, so shook. And two, bikes get stolen constantly in Los Angeles, so we also didn't want to spend like tons of money on bikes for like no reason. But we are very, very excited about that. Also, I got a comment on a vlog recently, just asking a little bit more about, well, first of all, I'm constantly getting questions about what I do for work, even though I feel like I've talked about it a million times on here, but as new people come in, obviously there are more questions that come up. But also, I got a question about how I manage my to-do list for the day and stuff like that. Again, I've talked a little bit about that, but I thought it would be fun today to do like a full rundown of my to-do list and like how I get through everything and manage my day throughout the day. Connor's making so much noise as well. It's like two boys just ruining my clip. So just really quickly, in case someone here doesn't know, on top of my YouTube stuff, I also do social media marketing for a variety of clients. My main client is Quantum Energy Squares, and they are freaking delicious. So you may see me eating them and talking about them sometimes on here just because I genuinely enjoy them, but also because I work for them. So I spend a lot of time working on Quantum stuff. It's a big account and I have a lot of responsibilities there, but I absolutely love the team there. They are amazing. I'm a huge fan. And then on top of that, I'll sort of do one-off projects occasionally with a couple of different clients. I just wrapped up one with actually someone who Quantum recommended me for, which was just like helping them establish their affiliate program, but not actually running it. So I just got everything set up for them, and I'm just sort of like a source for them. If they have a question, they can always come to me. So I'll do one-off projects like that, but I have enough responsibilities for Quantum that I can't really take on any other full-time clients just on my own. I would have to maybe expand my team, which is not something that I want to do right now. So because I am managing so many different things, having to-do lists every single day is huge for me. I literally just keep these little notebooks, and every single day is a to-do list, and I just slowly tick things off as I go. I like writing them down here like this. I just find it really nice, and I also find it useful to be able to go back and check out you know, what I did on a certain day. Like, I was just working on these graphics for Quantum, and I knew that I had taken notes in here, so I just sort of flipped through and found where my notes were, and I was able to refer back to those. I will try to remember to link this down below as well, because I just bought it online and it was really affordable. So I'm just going to tell you guys what's on my to-do list for the day. So first up was creating an affiliate account for an ad that we needed to work on for my client. Next was updating the graphics for stories that we're putting together with one of our partners. I also want to edit Wednesday's vlog. I have edit Friday vlog on there, but we'll see if I get to that. I need to do giveaway outreach for upcoming giveaways, as well as affiliate outreach to get more people in our program. And then the last thing that I have on every day is just a reminder to boost our posts. And I also want to add to this, send PR stories. So honestly, I probably won't get through all of this today. I've actually already done the affiliate account and the stories, so that's good. And it's only 11:30, so we still have quite a bit of day ahead of us. Next up, I'm going to work on editing the vlog because I like to get that done before lunch whenever I can. It just helps me. I find in the afternoon, I just fall off a little bit, and having to sit down edit a video later in the day just doesn't work as well for me. So I want to knock that out. Then we'll have lunch, and then, you know, see what else we get to today. And then whatever I don't at the end of the day, I will just start my to-do list for tomorrow and throw that on there. That way I can make sure that they get done the next day. I'll also, if I know like a ton of tasks that I have to do on Monday, I will start like running them out throughout the week. Like I'll create all 5 days to-do lists and just start filling in different things and prioritize what needs to get done when. So that's really helpful too. But this week I didn't have to do that yet. Hope this is interesting to you. I'm gonna keep you guys in the loop as I complete things on my to-do list. And as I said, next up, I'm going to dive into some editing. So actually when I edit, I don't like to keep this full setup here because I do not like editing with this keyboard. Like I like to use the trackpad. So basically what I do is just disconnect the keyboard and I turn off my mouse just to save the battery on that. And then do a little switcheroo here. I just put this down on the floor for now. Computer's making so much noise. 2 hours later and officially done with editing. I also made the thumbnail. It is 1:15 now and I want to head and make some lunch. Okay, made lunch here, just a caprese salad. I'm gonna have some grapes, gonna have a quantum bar, and I'm
sorry.
That's okay. Constant noise today. I just can't do this anymore.
Come with me.
Lunch was so delicious, and now after lunch is typically when I like to sort of refine my to-do list, figure out what I'm actually going to be able to get done. So it is approaching 2 p.m. right now. So Edit Friday vlog, I think, is going to get scratched off and moved to tomorrow. And I think I'm going to move the partner outreach to tomorrow too. Okay, so now we have left PR stories, boosting posts, affiliate outreach. That's totally doable. Let's start by boosting posts because I can just knock that out right now. Didn't have my quantum bar yet, so I'm gonna eat that at my desk here. Actually, I'm having a slight technical difficulty with that, so just message someone and we'll figure that out. So instead, what I'm gonna work on next is sending out some PR stories. So basically I get like a list of stories 3 times a day that journalists are looking for sources on. So as a source for Quantum, I respond and just like pitch our brand for different articles. So that's next up. 4:34 p.m. and just finished taking off everything on my to-do list, which feels so good. Gotta love a little bit of an early end to the day. Can't complain. And I think for tonight's activity, Connor and I are going to go on a little bike ride with our new bikes. So Connor's just working on cleaning his now. He's also needed some air in the tires, so he went and got a pump. And I'm going to wipe down mine too. Mine is not nearly as bad as Connor's was. Okay. But I still just want to like wipe it down to make sure that everything is clean and disinfected and good to go. But I'm excited.
Me too.
All right, we are on our bikes here. Wait, there you are. Just riding along the boardwalk here. So beautiful. Not a bad place.
About a week ago.
Yeah, you guys saw it.
Bikes.
Just put our AirPods in so we can listen to music while we ride. We've been back from the bike ride for a little while now. It was actually so much fun and a really good workout. I got pretty tired. Connor went a little bit further than I did, but man, that was a pretty good workout.
Yeah, no, definitely.
I felt solid about that.
Got a good schwitz.
A good schwitz. Anyway, just got back here and I am so tired now, you guys, but we just got some groceries delivered, so thought I would haul them for you quickly. Just picked up a few things, not too much because we have a lot of stuff. I just need like some fillers. First up, I got us some more tomatoes, the Campari on the vine, just in case we wanted to do, I don't know, something with them. So got that, and also got some mozzarella. This is pre-sliced too, which is really nice for my sandwiches. Got some turkey here for Connor's sandwiches, as well as some pepper jack cheese and pickles, of course. And then I got us some smoked salmon here for our little fake sushi. My mom texted me that they should be called deconstructed sushi so that it sounds fancy. So for our deconstructed sushi dish, got us some salmon, and I also got us some crab meat because I thought it'd be fun to like do a couple different kinds of proteins in them. Also got 3 different types of ramen. I don't know how this happened. But here we are. So just got some normal ramen noodles that we use in like our spring rolls and stuff like that, because I always just like to have those on hand. Then I got this hot and spicy fire wok ramen. I didn't notice that it has 6 chili peppers on the front of it. So that sounds really spicy. I don't know if I can eat something that's 6 chili peppers hot.
I love it. What is this? Wok?
It's a ramen. It's called fire wok. It's gonna be spicy, I think.
You have problems.
Look at how good they look though. That looks so yummy.
It's gonna be so good in our spring rolls.
I know. And then the last thing I got is this ramen, which I've been seeing all over TikTok. There's this ramen recipe that's been going around. Tara showed it to me first, and now I've seen it so much on my For You page. And it just looks so good, so I'm really excited to try that as well. Okay, let's see. Got some more seaweed here for our deconstructed sushi. And then we needed a freshling sriracha ranch, so I got that. We needed salt, so got a new salt and some olive oil because we're running low on that as well. That's the little haul, so I'm just gonna put all this stuff away now, and I'll probably check in with you guys around dinner. Dinner courtesy of Connor is served. Thank you, babe.
No problem.
We're gonna do some salmon tacos. We have just a bunch of toppings over here, sauces, spreads, everything a gal could want. Look at us in our matching shirts.
Woo woo! Go Dodgers.
Sure.
Or go Jays.
Thanks for dinner.
No problem.
Tacos have been assembled and I am very excited. Also excited about how beautiful they look. They're gonna taste even better than they look though. I'm so excited for this. All right, we're gonna also start this doc called Malice at the Palace. End of the night, it is 11:13 right now, so it's definitely time for bed, but just grabbing some water to bring in with me. Malice at the Palace was so interesting, you guys. I didn't know anything about that situation and just like all the shit that went down because of it. So really interesting. You guys know I've been into sports documentaries lately. I don't know what's happened to me, but I do really enjoy learning about stuff like that. So anyway, highly recommend. It's only like an hour and 15 minutes long, and I know it's like about basketball, but like it's not really about basketball. It's about like this crazy thing that happened during a basketball game. So yeah, anyway, it was interesting, and now I'm just rambling because I'm tired. So thank you guys for watching today. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you enjoyed getting like a little inside peek into my work stuff. Thought that might be interesting for you guys. And I will talk to you in the next